I've got here with me one of the residents that came this morning and quite frustrated because he wasn't able to get assistance. Just tell us what you found when you got here.
But I'm not surprised when I saw the cameras here today, and then I heard the story that the sheriff come here, they've taken their resources as the Department of Joburg City. It doesn't surprise me. There's a lot of problems that are happening here. We pay money. Every time I'm here for arrangement, my water has been cut without the notice from the Joburg City. The Joburg water come and disconnect water. I don't have water. I think for 2 years. We don't have electricity. I think for 7 years at Malporo Garden. That's why I bought the house 2011. There's invaders there, people from Limpopo, people from outside Johannesburg who came there to stay forcefully. The environment has changed. They are reproducing poverty. There's bucket system. The place is stinking. Potholes. I had to abandon my house and go to buy another house. So I'm paying double. Today I was here to come and solve the matter of 50,000 rent. And in truth, I think maybe 10,000 is the money that I'm supposed to pay. The other 40, I don't know, but because I'm scared to lose my house, I was here to make an arrangement to pay that money that I don't know. Who am I paying that money? That's why I'm here.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So that was legendary actor Israel Matseke Zulu speaking to eNCA outside Thuso House in Joburg yesterday. The actor started trending after comments he made about people from Limpopo. Israel was at the venue because he wanted to sort out a disputed municipal bill. However, when he arrived, the customer service center was closed after the sheriff of the High Court attached City of Johannesburg assets over an unpaid debt owed by the city. As a result, residents who had gone there for assistance were turned away. Speaking about overcrowding and how his neighborhood had declined over the years, Israel referred to invaders from Limpopo and outsiders who had come there to stay forcefully and were reproducing poverty. The comments sparked a heated debate on social media, with some accusing the actor of promoting tribalism and xenophobic sentiments. Others highlighted that South Africa's constitution protects freedom of movement and that people have the right to live and work in any province. After a lot of backlash, Israel took to social media to apologize to those who felt offended by his remarks. He said, "To all the people of Limpopo who feel or felt offended by my video at eNCA News, my sincere apologies." The actor added that he loves the people of Limpopo and expressed appreciation for his supporters, including his business partner and podcast collaborator Shai from Zebediela. So kamanjwamang futek or liskabang meded him la motshwarela batho ba Limpopo. As a fellow Limpopian who is Ndebele from Kwadlaulale, I don't know, it's giving I'm not racist, I've got black friends. Or when Helen Zille referred to Eastern Cape pupils as refugees. But all I can say is overcrowding, illegal occupation of properties or damaging neighborhoods is wrong regardless of who does it. So even if it were Zulu people doing it in Durban or Joburg, or Pedi people doing it in Polokwane, it will still be wrong. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
The truth is that I've been to Zimbabwe 3 times. Yeah. They remind me, tomorrow you leave them, don't forget.
Yes.
And I can't go to a foreign country and put a check or a spaza shop.
Yeah.
It's unfair for the South Africans.
Yeah.
We as the South Africans, we are welcoming.
Yeah.
We are the only person that have this thing called Ubuntu.
Yeah. Yes.
That's why we are Abantu.
Yes.
But in another way, Ubuntu has killed us, has compromised us.
Yes.
Our world was taken because of this thing called Ubuntu.
Yeah.
But these are our brothers and sisters. They work for us. They do grass for us. They are domestic workers. We pay them. We live with them. But a correct law has to be followed. Yeah. So I live by the law myself.
Yes.
I can't fly to United States of America because I have criminal records.
Yeah.
I don't get a visa.
Yes.
So, but a criminal from Zimbabwe can come to South Africa.
Yes, really.
It's totally unfair.
Yeah.
So this is the time to do things according